Today I'd like to show you this super unique book lamp. So first of all, I'm going to unbox it and then I'll show you how it works and how it looks like. So that's how our lamp looks like. It looks literally like a book. I mean, that's the purpose of it, but like that's absolutely insane. Like here we've got something that looks like a real wood. Maybe it is real wood. Anyway, it's really good quality. So now let's just open. Oh wow, so it's like turning on automatically, as you can see. So we can leave it like that and it looks insane. It looks super good and the light isn't so bad, to be honest. So I'm impressed. And as far as I know, there was like a free mode that you can use it. Oh yeah, it keeps on changing the light, as you can see. Every time I turn it off and on, the light is slightly different, as you can see. Like it's getting warmer or it's getting more neutral. That's interesting. Of course, along with your book, you get charging cable, and this is the slot where you connect your cable, and it's going to charge for about 3 to 4 hours, and then you can turn it on and it's going to work for about 5 to 6 hours. And as I said, you can keep on changing the color of the lights, and you can go with a few modes depending on how you want to put it on. So it can lay it flat like that, it can be placed somewhere on the side like that, or you can just place it as if it's just a normal book and it's still going to look gorgeous.